My name is König Zapf. I'm the Technical Director at PRETTL Electronics in Radeberg. I also deal with the topics of energy management and carbon neutrality. The PRETTL company has its corporate headquarters at the site near Stuttgart in Villingen. We, as the electronics division, are active in the EMS service provider market segment and are among the top 10 in Germany. Lighting is becoming increasingly important for us. For about a year and a half, we've been using open optical systems in our production, which have a significant influence on the ambient lighting. We operate on a 3-shift system with varying daylight and nighttime lighting requirements, and here it's essential to achieve constant illumination. Our lighting accounts for an energy demand of about 9% of our annual energy consumption. And it quickly became clear that by converting to LED lighting, we could make a big impact. A significant added value is the lighting control system offered by the company Luxon. In addition to energy efficiency, it provides continuous and uniform illumination by utilizing the daily control system. We expect an improvement of about 65% in combination with the LED conversion and the active use of the daily control system. This allows us to further reduce the lighting intensity during the day shift. For us at PRETTL, the decisive factors in our cooperation with Luxon were the comprehensive service and the excellent price-performance ratio. Starting with concept development and lighting calculation, all the way to order processing and financing, everything is offered from a single source. Furthermore, the ability to transparently separate the different lighting strategies makes the project eligible for subsidies. In fact, we took advantage of the federal subsidy for efficient buildings, which was an interesting side benefit. Using the light control system was absolutely essential for us in our facility, as it offered 2 key benefits. First, with our 3-shift system, we need continuous additional lighting in the hall. We have shed glazing in the upper part of the hall, which lets in a relatively large amount of daylight, but it always requires additional lighting. The control system helps us dim the lights as much as possible during daylight hours and achieve a high savings potential. Especially regarding the optical systems, we can already see significant improvements after just 1 month. Based on our analyses, we assume the false error rate from light influences has already improved by 15 to 20%, and we're trying to further optimize this process in the coming months and years. Overall, we were very satisfied with the planning and execution of the entire project, together with the Luxon company and their partners. Coordination took place in both German and English, and deadlines were reliably met. The installers worked actively alongside our production, parallel to our normal production processes. They also used production-free times to carry out difficult installations. We had no or virtually no production downtimes or failures and received fast and reliable execution from the Luxon company. In summary, it can be said that we are very satisfied so far with the entire LED conversion project, including the use of the daily control system. We look forward to a continued, reliable partnership and plan to implement further projects with the company Luxon LED in the future.